Here is a comparison between Cocos Creator and Defold. Cocos Creator is an open source, efficient, and high performance engine for cross platform 3D real time content creation. It has industrial simulation that can actually go ahead against community. Next is Default. Default is actually free because you don't have to purchase anything from here. So it has a visual editor, code editor, Lua scripting, so you don't need to set it up. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. Now for the engine type and language, Cocos Creator is a node-based editor, and Defold is a lightweight engine with Lua scripting. For platform support, Cocos Creator has a good support for mobile, web, and some native, while Defold has a strong mobile desktop and web via HTML5. For the learning curve, the Cocos Creator has easier for beginners and Defold is easy to learn if comfortable with Lua. So if you are just a beginner when it comes to engine type AI, then Cocos Creator is the right one for you. But if you're already get to use or comfortable with Lua, then go ahead to Defold.